All right, this is Dimes, I think round 17. Box number 4. Box number 4. Box number 2. Box 2 and 4. Just need one more. 1 or 3. One under there. Yep. 2, 3, 4. So we get rid of 1. And click it 2 times. Two times. 1, 2. Darren down to Addie K. Hey, how was I dragging those letters, numbers, and letters? All right, here we go. Markel Fultz incoming? Probably so, Zach Jack. Here's a John Collins on top. He's been playing pretty good. John Collins, 2017-18 Donruss Optic rated rookie card number 182 going to Matt. Huh? I swear Matt hits in every one of these damn things. Am I wrong, Matt? Matt said he's going to hit in every one of them. And De'Aaron Fox, 17-18 Gem Mint 10 Hoops. Card number 255. CEO Cliff got that one. Is that somebody rapping on Rome Show? Somebody getting their rap on? Alright. Box two. Gem Mint 10, 1999 Upper Deck MVP Michael Jordan Silver Script Facsimile Autograph. 204 Paul Mann. Paul, you're back on the hit train on this stuff. Paul actually got your Chrome cards from yesterday and your AP. So I'll put that with that, dude. And the last one. Don't jinx me, bro. 2019-20 Panini Chronicles John Morant XR Gem Mint 10. That one is 272. Matt, huh? Matt, the jinx isn't on. And Zion Williamson 1920 Hoops Winter Gem Mint 10. Alan T, that one's yours. 258. It's the Winter Hoops. There's snow in the background. When's Zion supposed to come back? Anybody know? Alan T. All right, that's it. And that's all. Thanks, everybody.